Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to show you how to make a cashew dressing that you can use for kale chips, anything, for any kind of salad. So it's going to need a cup of cashews. You can use soaked ones. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you can use soaked ones. You put it in a blender. Then we are going to use 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to just chop them faster to make it easier for the blender. Then you're going to use 1 small onion, white onion. We don't have to sleep here. Then we need juice of 1 lime or lemon. I'm just using lime because I like lime. Then we are going to need 3 dates, pitted dates. Okay, I'm going to assume those are 3. Yeah, 3 pitted dates. Then we're going to need apple cider vinegar. We're going to shake it. I'm using this brand, but I normally use this other one. I bought this one just to try, but not so hot. Okay, so we need 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. So then we get 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to use some water. Okay, because I want to make it a bit, to have it some ho-ho. So I'm going to use paprika. I'll take a teaspoon of paprika. I will make it kind of orangey, but if you want it to be pure white, you can omit the paprika. But I want the paprika. So we're going to blend. I may end up adding more water. I'll let you know. Decide to add another 1/4 cup of water. That's if you've not soaked your cashews, that's what will happen. Okay, now I've blended it. I'm just going to pour what's more than necessary. Just going to taste it. You want to see me tasting it? That will go nicely with any kind of salad you have. It's almost like a vinaigrette because you put the lime, you put the apple cider vinegar, mix it with the garlic. Oh, it is nice. I like it a little bit with some salt if you like. That's just me. So that when it's on its own, it's like that. Or if you like it more tart, you can add more apple cider vinegar. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more recipes. Ooh, nice. Bye.